Hey guys, XC2Can here for another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Subway Surf. It's the Easter update. And I'm trying to get every person. I've already got the whole boards and the Easter Bunny, of course. If I didn't get the Easter Bunny, I'm a murderer. One more murderer. I'd be very idiot. Why can't this thing load? Don't care. Oh. Also laggy. Why are you so laggy? Oh, free keys, I'm getting that. Oh, hurry up. So slow. I'm usually rocking Mandy's, but today I'll be rocking the Easter Bunny. Because it's not, Easter hasn't finished yet. It's not even Easter Saturday yet. I'm going to flex on my people with my beautiful whole board. Yeah, the best one. Flex. Oh, H, what's the word? Forgot about this. Here you go. Oh, that's the only person I need. You. No, I need Geo. Boom. 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 Dude. This is easy. Oh, Bunny, I'll take that. Oh, I missed it. G. Oh, died. Two more to collect. Nice. Dude. Wait, is that 9 million? 8 million. Barry, shout out to you. Damn, son. Calm down. Calm down, man. Just calm down. I want to show you. This is the one I want. Here you go. 5 hours left till you update. Oh my god, here you go. I hate that skin, it's stupid. I didn't get her either. I didn't think she was worth it. She still is. But Maid, I think that's his name. Maya? Yeah. Sick. Rabbits. I don't usually rock this. This is the one I usually rock. One of these two. I feel like buying tag, but. And yeah, I had to start a new account. It was really. My old account used to be really good. I'm gonna be rocking the chameleon today, and let's go with Jake. Should I? Yeah, I'm going Jake. Haven't done this for a while. This will be my last run. But yeah, we'll end the video here. That's my record. Any use higher than that, please put in the comments what your record is. And if we reach 10 subs, we're at 9 right now, I will do dumb arrow games because they're really dumb. Yeah, so I can get that. Like, just what do I have to do? I'll pick up some more. Yep. Oh, chameleon, that's why. I have so many hoverboards. If you donate hoverboards, I'll donate to everyone who subs. Eat the bunny. Get him. Give me that bunny. We had an Easter fete at school today. We did guess the gumballs. If you want to know how many there are, there was 673. Yeah, 673. That's how many there are. Oh shoot. Oh, yikes. I'm lagging. Tell you that. Oh, damn. So close, too. More hoverboards, seriously? Was it me getting hoverboards? It's not funny. Wait, did I get that? Did I get that? What's this? Wow. That's all. Well, that's all for the video, too. Thanks for watching.